Two vessels which frequently sail from Harwich are due to be updated in the next 18 months to meet new European regulatory requirements. Stena Line says it will send two ro-ros, the 2003-built Stena Forerunner and the 2002-built Stena Forteller, to a Chinese shipyard next year to have an additional deck added, which will increase capacity on each vessel by around 30%. The pair will also have shore power systems installed to comply with European Union regulations. These are not the first performance enhancements on these two vessels. Last year they switched to more efficient propellers and silicon hull coatings. They also had interceptors added. Interceptors, which are hull protrusions that aid trim and manoeuvrability, are more commonly seen on high-speed craft. Don't forget to check on our YouTube channel community page for more up-to-date news.